welcome to school too.
See this guy, I tell you. Now this one man, you fit you.
Now this girl, now this same girl where I die for where I say I feel spell my life. Even my last blood, I go give him.
And they come, I go get them for you. You know me, no worry. They come. Hello, babe. Hello. Hi. Where you dey go now?
To the salon.
To the salon. Hi. I dey come back. Nah. You don't agree, say he go follow you come out for evening.
You don't agree.
I dey tell you. But you know the thing. You know say this kind of thing, she guys know. I don't want make she go house.
Okay.
You get when she can't do her hair finish, she want go buy clothes.
Okay.
When she buy clothes finish, then she go come call you, so that when I go come out.
Today.
Apostle, we hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to use your life for.
Now 30,000 I be this so.
Carry and they go. No.
It's one Baba.
Say even my kidney, I go give him.
Yeah. You no need to worry. Baba, I dey come. Babe.
You know you can be prosecuted.
Give me that smile again. Give me that 5,000 naira. Now small thing. Use this one. Do your hair. Let me put the number. See, I tell you. The waiting she talk say she go call you. Okay. That time when you see me, they give her phone.
You don't give
now your number. Okay. You just collect her. He say go call you. So that evening time, we gonna go enjoy you now. Then you know waiting now. You know waiting. You go give me your car key. Okay. I'll go watch your car. You don't need me. You carry the ticker. They go follow me. Come on. I go wash them. Yeah. But that time when I go don't finish, you go don't do her hair finish. Okay. Then both of you go come.
This is this man don't give me. You know say I dey gbadu your parole. You know what you have to make I go freshen up. Make I just go. You know say I need to change. Make I freshen up.
I dey tell you.
Then we'll go one cool spot. We'll just go enjoy ourselves. See this my car.
Okay.
Don't worry, I go. In short, I go try go house. Make I try to go. As far as say that girl, me and I go sit
Baba.
After the reggae, play the blues. Make you do, that's I do. Enjoy yourself, baby boo. Because even your boo got a boo. Share the gala, share the boo. Everybody want a boo. As far as the money Baba see bad the way them the boo. You don't know I'm a catchy the bull. See money for flow like swimming pool. Yeah, you dey give me wings like wedding bull.
Top line.
Anything you want to make I do. I never tiger back to my boo.
This is my boy. One of the boys that started my life in this area. You see, don't worry, I'll meet you for that place I used to meet you. I'll give you that way you always chop.
Hey. See yellow dolly.
You don't see her. I'll see you later.
Okay, keep it up, oh.
Thank you. I'll see you later. I'm not bringing you.
What?
I have money.
Funke!
As you were seeing us that day, this guy, I gave you 1 million to work for me for his pocket.
Hey! See yourself. Look at this Montula. This idiot. This good for
School too.